So how do you manage your spreadsheets? So at the bottom here you'll see it says sheet 1. I can rename this. I just right click on it, go to rename, make it ABC. You can also add. So if I click on this plus, it will just add. Or I can stand on a specific one and say insert, and then I just say worksheet. So there it will just insert one at the left. I can select 3 of them and say insert worksheet, and then it will insert 3 of them. And then you can rename every one separately. You can also make it a color. So if I right click on it, go to tab color, and you can make it any color you want. The delete function, you just right click on it and say delete. You can always do more than one as well. So I'm selecting all of them, clicking on the first one, clicking on shift, and then clicking on the last one, and I just say delete. Then you can also move them. So I can right click on it, say move or copy. So either I can move it in the same sheet and just say okay, and then it's just going to create a new one. So move or copy, create a copy. So now I've moved it just before the sheet 1, I can create a copy as well. So then it will say sheet 4.2. So I can create another copy. You can also create a copy in a separate worksheet. So I can say create a copy in a new workbook. So I'm moving it. If you just move it and you don't say create a copy, it's going to take it out of the spreadsheet and move it. If you create a copy, it's going to keep it in this specific worksheet and just create a copy in a new one. So now I've created a new worksheet with this one. If I go back to my old one, there it is. If I take ABC and I say move it to this specific one, now I've moved it. So now it's there. If I go back to my other one, ABC is gone. So this can be dangerous, especially if you've got links between specific sheets and now you move it, you might break your links. So there might be a problem there. So that is how you change the sheets. You delete it, you insert it, you rename it, and you create a tab color, and you can even move it around.